what is AGI? इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे AGI आर्टिफिशियल जनरल इंटेलिजेंस होता क्या है, वेयर डू वी स्टैंड एज ऑफ टुडे और व्हाट इज दिस ऑल अबाउट। सो आर्टिफिशियल जनरल इंटेलिजेंस, आप ये टर्म हर जगह सुन रहे होंगे, साइंटिस्ट से लेके साई-फाई मूवीज तक। सो व्हाट इज AGI एंड हाउ क्लोज आर वी रियली टू बिल्डिंग इट? सो AGI एंड हाउ इट्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम today's AI, where research stands now, and what's the big risk and rewards are it ever arrives. We will break down everything in this video. So AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. ये एक theoretical type का AI है which can match or even surpass human intelligence across almost any intellectual task, not just one narrow job. Today almost all AI we use is narrow AI or ANI. तो जो भी AI आज हम यूज करते हैं that is all narrow AI. मतलब वो they are very good with one narrow job. Let's say ChatGPT writes text, image models generate art, recommendation engines suggest videos. ये जो भी सारे ये they are very great at one thing, but they can't suddenly switch to something completely different. Let's say ChatGPT can write text, but it can't do another task very differently, or image models can generate art, but they can't do another thing. So they are very good at doing one narrow thing. Now how AGI would be different? So AGI term is like the system which can learn, reason, adapt and transfer skills between tasks. So basically it's an replication of human. How we can learn things, how we can reason things, and how we adapt, right? And how we transfer skills. So that's where our brain works. Something very similar we want to create in artificial intelligence. That's what AGI is. For example, you could ask AGI to debug code, explain physics, write a story, then plan a business strategy, all in the same system. And it should do well in all parts of it. So I would say AGI would, if we achieve AGI, that should surpass human intelligence for sure. So now question comes, how is AGI different from today's AI? To see the gap, think of current AI as team of experts. Let's say AI is like a team of experts. एक के पास स्किल है कि वो लैंग्वेज को अच्छे से समझ सकता है, एक विजन को अच्छे से समझ सकता है, एक स्पीच को अच्छे से समझ सकता है, एक डेटा अच्छे से समझ सकता है. They all are powerful in their area, but they are not truly thinking the way humans do. So we want to replicate the way humans think in AGI. Today's model mostly rely on pattern matching. आज के models है, they have seen huge amounts of text, images and code and now predict what comes next very well, but not with deep understanding. They can do pattern matching, but there is no deep understanding which like we humans have. So AGI would need things current AI still lacks: common sense, true reasoning, continual learning without forgetting, ability to generalize across domain without being retrained every time. AGI में common sense होनी चाहिए, true reasoning होनी चाहिए, and उसको ना चीजें generalize करना आना चाहिए across domains, और हर बार retrain करने के बाद नहीं by itself. So in short मैं बताऊँ, narrow AI is like expert at one task. AGI is like human level mind that can learn anything over time. Now question comes, how close are we to AGI? So are we there yet? Most experts say not yet. अभी तक हम वहाँ पहुंचे नहीं है. Maybe decades away, maybe sooner, but it's still hypothetical. So recent progress in generative AI like ChatGPT, DALL-E and multimodal models has made people optimistic. तो आप देखोगे recently जितना speed से हम AI में बढ़ रहे हैं, and the inventions we are having so frequently have made people optimistic that we can achieve AGI, but it's all hypothetical. Systems can now write, draw, code, and even debate with surprising fluency. But even the best models still fail at very simple tasks that humans intuitively handle, like understanding basic cause and effect, physics, or social nuances. So big challenges include computing power and energy needed, how to teach common sense and world models, how to align AI with human values, whether we can measure AGI objectively or not. So many companies and labs are building cognitive frameworks and benchmarks to track how close systems are to AGI, but we are still in the early maturity phase of AI, not AGI. Now risk, rewards and ethics. If AGI ever arrives, the impact could be huge on both sides. Let's first discuss on the positive side. AGI could help solve climate change, design new medicines and accelerate scientific discovery. It could automate tedious work, freeing humans to focus on creativity, strategy and social good. It might act as a universal assistant, learning your goals and helping you over a lifetime. But the risks are serious too. An unaligned AGI could pursue goals harmful to humans. Job markets could be disrupted faster than society can adapt. Bias, misuse, and loss of control are real concerns if safeguards aren't built in from day one. That's why researchers talk about AI alignment and AI governance, making sure AGI behaves the way humans intend and that its power is regulated and transparent. So AGI is not just smarter AI, it's a potential shift what it means to be intelligent. If we ever build a machine that truly understands and adapts like a human mind, we are not there yet, but every leap in narrow AI gets us closer to that goal and to that responsibility that comes with it. If you want to tell me in comments, do you think AGI is coming in 10, 20 years or it's still science fiction? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI, AGI and the future of tech. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll meet you in another class. Till then, keep learning.